So I got myself a new Xbox. 1 TB SSD, and this is some of the features it comes with. So as you can see, this is a 4K gaming at up to 120 FPS and 8K HDR, and this is the architecture, which is Xbox Velocity. Awesome. And it has 1 TB solid state drive. God damn. You don't need a disk to play this game. It has Wi-Fi capabilities as well. Yeah, power your dream. So let me take it out of this box. Perfect. Perfecto. Oh damn, I love this. Let me take it off. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It has about 2 USB ports, network ports, storage expansion port, HDMI out, and power outlet. Wonderful, right? It looks so awesome. This is the front view, which has a USB port in front of it, and this is how the architecture looks like. Wonderfully made. Awesome. This is how beneath it is. Beautiful, right? I love this Xbox. Alright, let's see what is inside this box. Surely there must be something hidden there. It's a whole package. Oh yes. So this is the gamepad. It came with, I guess it uses battery. Yes. So it uses battery. This is the HDMI cable, and then the power cable. So I think that's all is in this box. Now let me set it up and get it going. See you guys later.